So we're here at the trailhead. The sign says this is Lightspout Waterfall, 30 minutes up. You can see the road keeps going up behind me, up that way, but if you look behind me right there, there's a wooden bridge and you can see the trail going up. That's the trailhead. So if you're coming up here, don't continue to follow. Split to the left and follow that trail. Hey guys, welcome back to Hills and Valleys. So today is Sunday, July 19th, and I'm here in the UK in England, and I'm on my first hike, and I'm telling you, it is absolutely breathtaking. I actually live in Birmingham in a little town called Oldbury, but it's all city. So this is my first time getting out into the countryside, and I'm telling you, if you ever wondered what it would look like to visit the Shire, like in Lord of the Rings, this is it. The most beautiful green rolling hills I've ever seen in my life. So today I'm doing a hike called Lightspout Waterfall. It's a medium rated hike. It's a 2.5 kilometers, which is 1.5 miles. It's rated for about a 1 to 1.5 hour hike. I don't know if you can see this, but this is it right here. Boom, get a close up there. So that's where I'm at. So I'm just gonna kind of stroll. There's my wife, she's with me, but she don't want to be in camera. Anyway, we're gonna just head on up. It's about probably what, about 5 o'clock in the evening. So we're just gonna chill out. It's nice and sunny, the nice breeze blowing. So we're gonna check it out, take some photos, take some quick clips, and show you what it's like, okay? So it's really funny. I got my camera out. I take a little quick 5-second clip of something, put my camera away, and then 2 seconds later I see something even more beautiful than I just saw. Then I have to pull my camera out. So I think I'm just gonna leave my camera out and locked and loaded. Let's keep going. I think we're gonna go up to the right. That side's way too easy, so we're gonna go up this side. So what's really cool is we are right in the middle of this incredible ravine. So this is off to my left, straight up this hill, and then come around, and you can see we're right here down in this ravine. It goes right back up and goes up. Pretty cool. I think we're coming up on the waterfall. I think it's just right up ahead where all these people are chilling out. So hey guys, so that's it. We made it to the top. I think we made it in about, I don't know, 45-50 minutes, and we weren't even really walking hard, so you could easily do this in about 15-20 minutes if you were really hustling. But anyway, here we are. So this is it. You're in the UK and you want to do some hiking, come up here to Shropshire?
Shropshire or Shropshire?
Shropshire, yeah. It's absolutely beautiful. They have dozens and dozens of trails just like this that you can find beautiful waterfalls, picturesque vistas. It's absolutely beautiful, and it's easy for the whole family. I've seen little babies up here, and I've seen like 80-year-old women walking up here. So anyway, that's it for this episode of Hills and Valleys. We hope you guys keep getting out there and explore the world. God made the world for all of us, and he wants us to enjoy it. So get out there and get hiking and enjoy the hills and the valleys.